Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you proven benefits of onion juice for health. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. Onions are used in most dishes that you eat. They add flavor to whatever you eat, and more importantly, they have some impressive benefits to offer. 1. May boost hair health. The sulfur in onion juice boosts collagen production, and this could enhance hair growth as well. Onion juice may also make your hair shinier. The antimicrobial properties of the onion juice may help fight scalp infections. A healthier scalp means stronger hair follicles. 2. May fight acne. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties play a role here. In a study, a gel containing extracts of onion had improved acne scars in patients. This gel improved the appearance of the scar by reducing redness and inflammation. The study concluded by stating that onion extracts could be used as potential treatment options for bacterial and fungal infections. Apply onion juice to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your face with warm water. But be careful, don't let the juice get into your eyes. Also, ensure not to apply the juice on open blisters. If you have sensitive skin, please consult a doctor before you use the juice. 3. May delay wrinkles. The flavonoids and other antioxidant compounds in onion juice may prevent the signs of premature aging. The purported anti-aging properties of onion juice may also be attributed to its sulfur content, which, as per some sources, can boost collagen production and fight premature aging. More research is required to establish these benefits. 4. May fight inflammation. The quercetin in onion juice has shown to inhibit leukotrienes, prostaglandins, and histamines, all of which are known to cause inflammation in osteoarthritis. Onion juice intake can also prevent bone disorders associated with inflammation. Studies show that taking the juice can boost bone mineral density in postmenopausal women. 5. May boost your immunity. Onions contain selenium, a nutrient that may boost immunity levels. Selenium triggers an immune response and suppresses excessive immune response. Also, immune cells deficient in selenium are vulnerable to more oxidation. These cells also face difficulties in producing protein and transporting calcium. 6. May enhance your vision. The antimicrobial properties of onion juice can help treat eye infections, like conjunctivitis and blepharitis. Experiments done on rabbits found that the juice could have an inhibitory effect on the growth of eye flora. The juice may also prevent cataracts. In rat studies, instilling onion juice prevented selenite-induced cataract formation. 7. May cure ear infections. A report published by the Cambridge University Press states the ability of onion juice in treating ear infection and earache. How do you make onion juice? Peel about 3 to 4 onions and chop them into small pieces. Add the pieces to a juicer and extract the juice. Transfer it to a container. You can also add the pieces to a blender and consume the paste. Consuming this juice can offer certain benefits. Conclusion. The compounds in this nutrient-rich veggie may decrease risk of certain health ailments like cancer and diabetes. Onions may promote hair growth and treat many fungal and bacterial infections. Their juice can be used to improve the flavor quotient of dishes. Also, consuming onion juice sure is one simple and effective way of maintaining your health. Incorporate onion juice into your daily regimen after consulting your doctor. According to people who follow this juice for health, the results are excellent. Use it, and share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.